All right, so we've been doing a lot of series of mini videos, not long lessons, but mini videos of the Bunkai, applications of several parts of katas, and you may see these in our katas, but you may also see them in your katas as well. So in this case, there's a section in what we have in Pinion 1 and Pinion 2, which is different than the Pinion and Pinion forms, but it's kind of like they're derived from those, so to speak. But like, let's say he's going to strike towards me here, and we have in ours, it's going to be actually like a downward parry and then a vertical nukite. But what I'm going to do when he strikes, I'm actually going to come here and almost like a downward block, and then I'm going to come up here and strike with a vertical nukite right here. So I'm doing a push and pull here. So the same time I'm going down, I'm pulling in there, and that's not going to feel too good. I'm going right to the solar plexus xiphoid process. The other alternative bunkai to that is he comes toward me again. Now, I still do the downward parry here, but I might lock him up here. But instead of going to this and push and pull in here, I'm going to come underneath his armpit here, and I'm going to pop up. If you notice I'm popping up, I don't want to do it too hard. Here, and then I'm going to come over here and shut out, and then there's a throw. Okay? So, and I might, obviously you can add it with a thrust kick there. So in the actual form, if I'm facing you, I'm doing a downward parry, and it looks like this. But the hidden part is there's a grab or maybe a locking mechanism and strike. So I can strike to the xiphoid process, or I can come underneath the armpit and I'm going to throw. In the kata, we just come back into a cat stance here, but the hidden part, I'm actually coming armpit and throw. So that's something you might see with that. Now in Pinion 2, we're not coming back in this direction. When I do this little strike here, and maybe I'll lock him in here, and I come here, it's a 270, I'm actually going in that direction. So as I come here, it's like a 270 throw. It's the same thing. And then of course we actually will grab and throw like that. All right, so that maybe give you a little idea of some potential bunkais and applications for Pinion 1 and Pinion 2, or if you have similar katas in your style as well. Thank you.